omega d is defined as omega naught squared minus gamma squared upon 4 all square rooted, which obviously makes sense. And what we can do is we can rearrange. We can, instead of gamma squared, we can put 2 squared, which is 4, zeta squared, and omega naught squared into this equation. Okay? And you can do some rearranging. The 4s will cancel. Okay, so you have omega naught squared minus zeta squared minus omega naught squared. Well, there's an omega naught squared in both of those terms, so that can come out down here, and you end up with 1 minus zeta squared. Square rooted. So omega d, this is the other form of omega d you may have seen before, okay, which is perfectly valid as well. And often, that'll be the form that you'll use, because you'll have the damper ratio, or you'll work it out, instead of the equation that we used in the tutorials.